So towards more about your role and how you work together, I would love for you to share with the audience a little bit about that. Yeah.
Metroflor has a branch office in Shanghai, and I'm the general manager of this office. The main responsibilities of this office are order processing, shipping logistics, product quality, new product development and sourcing. I personally also serve as the liaison between our U.S. product authority team, which is led by Rochelle, and also our Chinese factories. For sustainability and the quality side, our factories are very completely cooperative and open to us. When we ask for product information, it is always provided. Even a lot of this information would be considered as business secrets by other factories or suppliers, such as product formulation, product ingredients, key material suppliers. But with our factories, this is not an issue. We can always get what we want. So we are truly long-term partners and 100% trust each other. And we can visit any part of our factories at any time, alone or with our customers. Yeah.
So all aspects of the factory are open to you whenever you need to see them. Mm-hmm. And we'll talk a little bit more about Simon's points about gathering ingredients information and product formulation. Again, this is something that is very dramatically different and really almost radical when you're talking about doing business internationally. So what about you, Jin? Yeah, what about your role in working with Simon?
I'm the general manager of elegant plastics. So I manage the entire factory, including raw material purchase, new material sourcing, and product innovation, production, quality control. So we develop new products ourselves. At the same time, we receive new idea and new product sample from the Metroflor. So we follow up and study and develop these new products with Simon mainly. And Simon is also in our quality control and networking system for every issue. So for example, is there any unusual production problem? Simon is online. He can see everything. He can see what happening in my factory on the internal WeChat quality control networking system. So importantly, Simon also give us many of good suggestions about quality control.
Okay, so both of you are in constant communication, not only in person when you visit, but also on this WeChat social network system that allows you to see everything taking place in the factory. Yes. Yeah. So we make use of technology in this very transparent way. So I'd like to go on and talk about some of the environmental improvements that have taken place at our factory in recent years. So Simon, if you could please talk about that. Yeah.
Yes. Our factories are very conscious on environmental protection. There are lots of improvements have been made over the years at the elegant plastics to save energy, save water, reduce dust and emissions released to the air. I'd like to highlight two improvements here. First one is our vinyl flooring is produced with isolated hot pressing technology. It's different from continuous lamination or calendaring process. Wall layer, the core layer, and backing layers are all pre-made with size about 1 meter times 1.3 meters. And then all these layers are fused together by heat and pressure in the machine called a hot pressing machine. The conventional hot pressing machine has only one cylinder. Within one production cycle, this same cylinder is heated to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, maintained at this temperature for about 45 minutes, and then cooled down to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Since last year, our factory started to invest in new hot press machines with dual cylinders so that we can separate the hot stage and the cold stage. Hence, energy could be saved. So if you look at the photos on the screen, the left one is the hot stage and the cold one is the right one is the cold stage.
Yes. Yes. And this was quite an investment.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
And the second one is we use high temperature steam as the source of heat in the above-mentioned hot pressing process. In the past, our factory used a coal-burning boiler to generate steam in-house. This is inefficient and releases a lot of dust and emissions into the air. So then in 2010, our factory abandoned the coal-burning boiler and switched to buy steam from a nearby steel mill plant. So there is not only no dust and emissions released to the air, but also we are recycling energy that might have gone to waste.
Yes.
So here are some of the pipes are the steam pipes.
Yeah, so this is, we do send the steam from quite a ways. We talked yesterday, more than a mile away.
More than about 10 miles away.
10 miles away that we transport the steam, and you can see how valuable the steam is that investment has been made. So thank you. And so Jin wants to talk about some water.
Yes, so here I added two more examples. So we recycle waters with closed loop system. We built an outdoor pool to cool the water coming from our hot pressing process. So through this system, we save a lot of water. Another is for lighting. We use efficient LED light bulbs instead of our normal bulbs, because the efficient LED bulbs use about 25% less energy than the normal bulbs. So we also use solar panel, replaced part of power supply.
Yeah. So I love this photograph with the statue of the dolphins in the pool that actually captures the water, which is used for the industrial processes. So